Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about 8 truths of the successful students. Through my work with more than 20,000 students so far, I have begun to see what separates successful students from not so successful one. And I'm not just talking about the academic performance. I am talking about their overall development, their willingness to learn, their willingness to grow, and even though there are disappointment, they are willing to grow. So today I'm going to discuss about those 8 truths. My dear students, don't miss out to like this video, subscribe our channel, and Pro Talent provides you so wonderful training opportunities for varieties of the competitive examinations. So don't miss out to visit our protalentdigital.com. The key doesn't lie in the successful students' innate intelligence or how many study tips they know. That is, the foundation of their success lies in their belief. That is, the truth they take to their heart. Remember, these are the 8 most important truths that successful students both understand and they embrace, they follow. So क्या आप ये 8 मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रूथ्स को फॉलो करने के लिए तैयार है? तो सुनिए एक एक करके. सबसे पहला, द फर्स्ट ट्रूथ दे अंडरस्टैंड इज लाइफ is challenging. Many students expect life to be relatively easy. They know that hard work is important, but they don't believe that they will need to work hard to get what they want. Remember, hard work के बगैर कुछ होना नहीं है. For example, let me give you one, you can say, very simple example which happened with me in my life. ठीक है, I was giving a talk in one of the university, ठीक है, where young students like you, they were sitting. At the end of the talk, one of the students came up to me and said, "Sir, thank you very much for giving such a wonderful talk. I am inspired. I want to ask you one thing. Sir, what can I do to ensure that I find a fulfilling career in future?" He was very much excited. He was very much motivated and he wanted to work hard for his career. I said that, look, I'm very happy with your enthusiasm. Let me recommend to you that please start reading these 2 books. One is Wings of Fire and second, Do What You Are. These are the 2 books which I recommended him to read. So his instant look and instant reply was very simple. He was hesitant. He said, "Sir, I don't like reading. I won't be able to read, you can say, such a long book. There are 2 books you recommended to me. I will not be able to read it." My dear students, ये स्टूडेंट चाहता था कि वो अपना फुलफिलिंग करियर बनाना चाहता है, ठीक है, और वो चाहता था कि अगले कुछ सालों तक, अगले 30-40 सालों तक उसको तगड़ा करियर मिले, पर वो 2 किताबें पढ़ने के लिए तैयार नहीं था. Somehow he believed that building a rewarding career, ठीक है, shouldn't take too much of effort. उसको लगता है कि इतना अच्छा करियर बनाने के लिए लंबी मेहनत नहीं चाहिए. Unfortunately, this kind of mindset, this kind of, you can say, trouble in the mind of the students is there with large number of students. Successful students, on the other hand, they do not have such kind of mindset. They understand that life is tough, but that overcoming challenges makes life more meaningful, more successful, more appealing. My dear students, सबसे पहला मुद्दा, लाइफ बड़ी चैलेंजिंग है, मेहनत करना जरूरी है. Second truth, you can't always choose your circumstances, but you can always choose your attitude. My dear students, we all like to think that we are in control of our lives. But there are so many aspects of our lives that are beyond our control. Of course, this does not mean that we shouldn't plan. We shouldn't have a proper planning mechanism in our mind. And we should not take wise decisions. No, that doesn't mean it. There are so many uncontrollable factors. There are so many controllable factors. Successful students realize that they can't control what mood of their teacher is in, or whether what kind of, you can say, questions are going to come in the next examination. They can't control it. Okay? That is uncontrollable factor. There are controllable factors. They recognize that they can control, they can choose their attitude. How they will respond to the given situation, given circumstances in front of them. Whether they will have a positive attitude or they will have a negative attitude is what they can choose. My dear students, ये हमारे हाथ में है कि हम सामने जो सिचुएशन है उसमें हम कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करें. Truth number 3. Your education is your responsibility and not your parents' responsibility. It seems like today many parents take more of their interest in their children's academics than the children are taking their, you can say, interest. मैं रोज इतने सारे पेरेंट्स से बात करता हूं जहां पे पेरेंट्स को इतना प्लानिंग करना होता है अपने बच्चों के बारे में और बच्चे इतना ध्यान नहीं देते हैं. आई हैव मेट पेरेंट्स who sit right next to their children to ensure that their children complete their homework. These same parents develop a complete studying schedule, you can say, for their children to complete their syllabus. Because their children are busy. ठीक है? Their children have become over reliant on them. My dear students, parents have some limited role. You as a children have another role. Just, you can say, today I got to know a family where the father is planning to quit his job so he can monitor his, you can say, son's, you can say, competitive examination preparation more closely. Just imagine, father is ready to quit a job. I don't doubt that these parents have good intentions. But whose education is this? Is it the parents' education or it is children's education? My dear students, successful students understand that their education is their own responsibility. Nobody else is going to come in their life. It is their own responsibility. My dear students, parents can help by not micromanaging their children. Instead, parents can set medium and long-term goals together with the children. उनके साथ में बैठकर immediate planning, लंबा planning ये कर सकते हैं. Every 2 months or so, parents can give, you can say, a teacher a brief call to see how the children are progressing. That is really okay. If the children are not living up to the goal, living up to their expectation, then the parents can, you can say, mete out appropriate consequence. वो बोल सकते हैं कि भाई ये नहीं चलेगा. That is what parents can do. But micromanagement, not acceptable, not needed. Truth number 4. Life does not revolve around you. There are many students, they ask themselves, what can my parents or family do for me? उनके मन में हमेशा ये रहता है कि पेरेंट्स मेरे लिए क्या कर रहे हैं, फैमिली मेरे लिए क्या कर रही है. Instead of asking what can I do for my parent, for my family? In order for the students to find long-term success, they must realize that they are not the center of the universe. They are not. My dear students, there are so many social responsibility you have. It is your social responsibility to show consideration for other people's feelings and their need, especially those of your family. आपकी जिम्मेदारी है आपके फैमिली मेंबर के प्रति, उनकी फीलिंग्स के प्रति, उनके नीड्स के प्रति. Only then you as a student begin to cultivate an attitude of service where you focus on adding value not only to yourself but to others, instead of obsessing over our own desire. हमें ये चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे फलाना चाहिए. उससे ज़्यादा लोगों को सर्विस करने का एटीट्यूड यहां से डेवलप होगा. Truth number 5. Blaming others gets you nowhere. It is very easy for students or even for the adults to blame others. जब कोई सक्सेस नहीं मिलती है तो दूसरों को ब्लेम करना बहुत ईजी है. क्या आपको ये सब फेमिलियर लगता है? Like, the teacher is too boring. That's why I did not do well in this particular examination. ठीक है, कभी कभार हम ये भी बोलते हैं कि my coaching institute doesn't have a good system. ठीक है, या मेरे पेरेंट्स से बहुत ज़्यादा नेगेटिव है and that's why I am becoming very moody. ठीक है, that is what another point they talk about. Or the lessons are not very engaging, they are not encouraging. इसकी वजह से मैं पूरा अटेंशन दे नहीं पाया. करंट अफेयर तो कितना बोरिंग है, या मैथ कितना टफ है. These are the complaints, है ना. They may be valid to an extent, but taking full responsibility for your education, for your life, means that you don't blame others. You don't blame other people for how you have been feeling or what kind of disappointments you are getting. किस तरीके का आपको एक्सपीरियंस होता है, उसके लिए आप दूसरों को ब्लेम नहीं करते हैं, कभी नहीं करना है. इंस्टेड द सक्सेसफुल स्टूडेंट्स, है ना, जो अनसक्सेसफुल और जो सक्सेसफुल स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके बीच का यही तो अंतर है. सक्सेसफुल स्टूडेंट्स continually ask themselves this vital question: what is one thing I can do right now to make this situation better? That is the big question they ask to themselves. I repeat, what is one thing I can do right now to make this situation better? This enables the students, successful students, to focus on what they can control instead of what they cannot. That is very crucial. Truth number 6. Managing ourselves is more important than managing our time. My dear students, time management important है, पर उससे कहीं गुना ज़्यादा important अपने आप को मैनेज करना है. आज के स्टूडेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रक्शन फेस करते हैं. आज से पहले इतना कभी डिस्ट्रक्शन नहीं होता था. व्हाट्सएप, यूट्यूब, इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, ब्लॉग्स, ऑनलाइन गेम्स एंड सो मैनी ऑफ देम. ठीक है, एंड देन ऑब्वियसली ऑल दोस नेटफ्लिक्स एंड अमेजॉन एंड पता नहीं क्या क्या. दोस्तों, एज अ स्टूडेंट ये आपका जो समय है, you must learn to manage your time, you must learn to manage your priority. ठीक है दोस्तों, उसके पहले you have to learn how to manage yourself. ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. You must learn to manage your time and your priority, but you must first learn how to manage yourself. Students must acquire skills of eliminating distraction, controlling temptations, finding intrinsic motivation. आपको डिस्ट्रैक्शन एलिमिनेट करना सीखना है, टेम्पटेशन को कैसे कंट्रोल करना या उससे दूर जाना, और अपने अंदर के मोटिवेशन को जागृत करना है. इफ यू डोंट डू दैट, you will not feel motivated to study. You will succumb to lot of entertainment option which are available to you 24/7, और आप सीधा वहीं पे चले जाएंगे और आप अपनी पढ़ाई नहीं कर पाएंगे. Truth number 7, you are entitled to few things in life if at all. दोस्तों, आपको कुछ ही चीज एंटाइटल्ड है. 80% ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स जिनके साथ मैं काम करता हूं, दे हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंस ऑफ एंटाइटलमेंट. दे फील एंटाइटल्ड टू, उनको लगता है कि मुझे कंप्यूटर जब चाहिए तब मेरे पास होना चाहिए, मेरे पास एक अच्छा स्मार्टफोन होना चाहिए, अच्छा स्मार्टफोन, आईफोन होना चाहिए, मेरे पास स्मार्ट वॉच होनी चाहिए, ठीक है, मेरे पास अपना एक रूम होना चाहिए और वो कैसा भी मैसी हो चलेगा, ठीक है. आई वॉन्ट टू लीड अ कंफर्टेबल लाइफ, ये उनको लगता है ये मेरा एंटाइटलमेंट है, ठीक है. एंटाइटलमेंट का मतलब है कि ये मुझे दिया गया है, ये मुझे मिलना ही चाहिए, ठीक है. बट दे डोंट ग्रास्प द फैक्ट दैट these are not entitlement, they are privileges. Privileges aren't given, they are to be earned. ये आपको अर्न करना पड़ता है. सक्सेसफुल स्टूडेंट्स मेहनत करते हैं ऐसे प्रिविलेजेस को पाने के लिए. सक्सेसफुल स्टूडेंट्स, they work hard to earn these privileges. They know that they could lose these privileges if they are not very careful. उनको यह पता होता है कि ये प्रिविलेजेस तुरंत ही चले जाएंगे अगर मैं केयरफुल नहीं होगा. ट्रूथ नंबर 8, दे ऑल्सो नो दैट नो वन इज परफेक्ट, बट देयर इज ऑलवेज अ रूम टू इंप्रूव. आई हैव वर्कड विथ नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स, ठीक है, हु हैव अनरियलिस्टिक एक्सपेक्टेशन अबाउट देमसेल्व्स. उनको लगता है कि मैं ये कर दूंगा, मैं ये कर दूंगा, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए. And thereby they put themselves in an overwhelming pressure to perform. These students, ठीक है, when they have, you can say, lot of pressure, ठीक है, ये perfectionist tendencies उनके मन में जब आ जाती है, जो ज्यादातर कॉमन स्टूडेंट्स के अंदर होता है, ठीक है ना, उनको लगता है कि भैया मैं परफेक्शन में काम करूं. And thereby they can lead to serious psychological issues, ठीक है, such as depression, such as you can say unrealistic thoughts in their mind. My dear students, ठीक है, if you, let's say, if you as a student are watching this, or a parent, you can say, watching this, do not take this lightly. If your child is thinking to become very perfectionist, ठीक है, सक्सेसफुल स्टूडेंट्स इस बात को रियलाइज करते हैं that there is no such thing as perfection, ठीक है. There are varieties of the gray shades available. They turn their attention away from achievements and the end results. Rather they focus on the journey, rather than they focus on improving their capability, developing their capability. They concentrate on the factors that are within their control. They focus on those factors which are like their efforts, their attitude, which are in their control. Ironically, these students perform better by choosing not to focus on their performance, rather on controlling their efforts and attitude. दोस्तों, ये ध्यान रहे कि आप अपने एफर्ट, अपने एटीट्यूड को कंट्रोल करके अपने परफॉर्मेंस को बड़ा कर सकते हैं. द बॉटम लाइन इज, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू बी हैप्पी एंड सक्सेसफुल, you must accept these 8 truths. As a parent, our role is to influence and inspire our children. As a student, your role is to inspire yourself to understand these truths and leave them up to. It is not very easy, but definitely it is possible for you to attain all this. I am convinced that कि ये easy तो नहीं है, पर आप इतना effort तो जरूर लगाएंगे ताकि आप अपने आप को बदल सके. I hope this is very clear. All the best.